Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we have the lecture number 3 for grade 9th chemistry, and it is from the chapter Fundamentals of Chemistry. And the topic we will discuss today it is the branches of chemistry, the branch 4, 5th, and 6th. So let's have a look at what are the branches of chemistry and what we are going to study in them. Mainly, if we have a look on the chemistry, so basically, chemistry is the branch of science, and in science, we study everything that is around us. And in chemistry, basically, we study about the matter as its composition, its structure, its properties, along with the chemical reactions. So we will study about the matter and its composition, structure, properties, and reactions under the chemistry. And scientists have divided the chemistry into different branches. So let's have a look at what are these branches. Basically, if we have a look, that number one branch is organic chemistry. That is the study of carbon-containing compounds, organic compounds, and its study. The second one we have it is the inorganic compounds, and the study is known as inorganic chemistry. All the compounds that contain all the atoms other than carbon. Third one branch we have it is the physical chemistry, that is related to the physical state of the matter. Fourth one we have here it is the environmental chemistry, and the fifth one branch we have it is mainly biochemistry, and seventh one branch we have it is sixth one branch we have industrial chemistry, and the seventh we have analytical, and the eighth one we have it is mainly nuclear chemistry. So we will study one by one all these branches. We have about the organic, inorganic, and physical in the previous lecture. Now in this lesson we will study about the environmental chemistry, biochemistry, and the industrial chemistry. So let's have a look at what does mean by the biochemistry. So mainly if we have a look on the biochemistry, bio means basically we have life. Bios mean life, and chemistry mean the composition and the matter about composition and the structure. So it's mean all the matter that is found in the life that is related to the living things, and their study is known as the biochemistry. So by definition, it is a branch of chemistry that deals with the study of structure, deals basically with the structure, composition, chemical reactions, chemical reactions that of all the substances that are found in the living organisms. And that living organisms may be plants and maybe animals as well. So in biochemistry, basically we are going to study about the structure, composition. Structure mean how the molecules are formed, the composition, what are the main components, and what are the main things found in this substance, and what type of chemical reaction that substance can undergo. So all the substances that are found in living organisms, their study we called it as biochemistry. Now what type of compounds are going to be found in the living organisms? We have lipids, we have carbohydrates, we have proteins. So the study of these and all the chemical reactions, that how the food is going to be digested, how the food is digested in the living organisms, we will study it under biochemistry. chemistry and how we gain energy from the food, how the food is going to be converted into the energy, and how the waste is going to be removed from the living organisms. All this we will study about it in the biochemistry. So it is basically related to the life of the living organisms. Next we have industrial chemistry. So industrial chemistry, as the word is going to show, it is related to the industry. So in this branch we will study about the manufacturing of chemicals and compounds and different substances on commercial scale. Commercial scale mean we will study about that on the large scale. So all the things that are going to be produced in the industries, we will study about them in the industrial chemistry. Basically, it deals with the manufacturing of basic chemicals. And what are the basic chemicals? For example, we have oxygen, we have chlorine, we have ammonia, that is NH3, we have nitric acid, that is HNO3, we have sulfuric acid, H2SO4, we have the production of paper, we have the production of cement. All this we will study under the industrial chemistry, that how these things are formed, what are the raw materials, and what is the method has been used to prepare all these substances we will study under the industrial chemistry. Basically, it is related to the industry. All these things we produce on the large scale or the commercial scale, and how they are formed, what are the raw materials basically we used, what is the main method we have used for their production in the industrial industries. We will study it under industrial chemistry. Next, we have the branch that is environmental chemistry. So, as the name is shown, environmental. Environmental mean it is related to the environment. So, basically, by definition, it is the branch of chemistry in which we components, study about the components of the environment. In this, we will study about the effects of human activities, human activities on the environment. So basically in environmental chemistry, it is related to our environment, that what are the main components of the environment and what are the main effects of human activities on the environment. It will be studied under environmental chemistry. So what is the basically component of the environment? If we have a look on the air, basically air we have, it is the mixture, and it is the mixture of gases. And what type of gases are found in the air? We have oxygen, we have carbon dioxide, we have nitrogen, and etc. Basically, these gases combine and they're going to form the air. On the other hand, if we have a look on the production of the carbon dioxide, we have what is the pollution rate, what is ozone layer, what is ecology, that is related to our environment, what we have, how the climate is going to be changed, what is smoke and how it is produced, what is the combustion process, what is atmosphere, how the climate is going to be changed, what is global warming, how the things are going to be contaminated. All this we will be study under the environmental chemistry, that how the ozone layer is going to be deplete. So what is does mean by ozone layer? Basically, the upper surface of our earth, then we have basically the four layers of atmosphere. In the second layer there is a ozone layer present over it that protects us from the UV rays, that protects us from the UV rays. That ozone layer, how it works and how it is going to be formed and how it protects, or it we will study under the environmental chemistry, and how the human activities are going to pollute the environment and how their activities are changing day by day, and they are going to change the environment. We will study it under the environmental chemistry. So this is all about the today's lecture. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.